Hello, everybody. Today I'm talking to you about giving your buddies a bath. How to do that. Some of the buddies won't want to take a bath, but most of them do. So I'm going to give you some instructions, and then I'll put it at the end of the video. But most of the birds will enjoy getting a bath, especially if your home is dry. A bath will encourage your bird to preen more, and to take the dirt away from the feathers. You can get a bowl of shallow lukewarm water, and only an inch or two deep. It shouldn't be too cold, as the budgies are susceptible to cold. If you find your budgies don't like it, you can try wet grass or greens at the bottom of the water bowl. They will like it. They will really be playing in it. Put a towel under the cage so the water don't leak out of the cage if you want. Place the bowl in the bottom of the cage, and they will be jumping in the water. Okay? But keep in mind to supervise them in case something happens to them. Or then you could give them a spray bottle, but not too cold and not too hot. A spray bottle you can get at a pet store or a 99-cent store. And now at the end of the video, I'll give you what I read. Thank you for watching.